As a representative from the government, UNICEF, UN agencies, civil society, international organization, our responsibility is crystal clear. First, we need to invest in the prevention through peace building, in education, community awareness and resilience. And we need to build a strong child protection system so that no child is ever forced to choose between survival and innocence. Second, we need to strengthen the accountability mechanism against who are recruiting these children. Third, we need to have a full implementation of the action plan for the handover protocol. So all children treated firsthand and foremost as victims and are safely transitioned back to their civilian authority. The most recent report of the United Nations Secretary General in 2024 confirms that the recruitment and use of children remain one of the most persistent and widespread grave violations against children globally, with over an estimated 250,000 children are still involved in the armed conflict. Here in Nigeria, within 2024 only, and the verified cases, more than 1,000 cases verified as a grave child violation, children were involved in the armed groups in many forms, one or more than one form of involvement.